told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I...
Hey Tim, come here. This thing is on. Give me the mic. Here. Get up close and listen. It's on.
Alright, hold up, YouTube.
Like a bitch! Some sibling rivalry going on.
Alright. I don't feel like bringing it in front of me, but in this video, I was gonna sit and talk to y'all. A lot of people been asking me how to go vegan. They've been saying how do you go vegan and like stuff like that, how you maintain it. So in this video I want to kind of make it like going vegan for beginners. I would say number one, consistency. If you're going vegan, how to do it, let me see how can I make it simple for people that like just they want to really do it but they're new to it, and how to maintain it. Don't go all in at once. If you want, like, how can I teach you the basis? Alright, so okay, I don't know, I'm trying to get my thoughts together to make it simple for everybody else like that's new to it. Okay, if you're new to vegan, how to start it, how to go vegan for beginners, I would say number one, start off small. It's like, I don't know, build a foundation, like one meal at a time, like substitute one food at a time. Like some people, they like brownies, which will like start making vegan brownies. Some people like ramen, like me, I like ramen. Make it vegan. Like try making everything you like, try making it vegan. There's a lot of vegan options out there. It's a difference between being a healthy vegan and unhealthy vegan, so be mindful of what you eat. So for people that want to go vegan, I suggest you just try it, you know. For the meat lovers, for people that love meat, it's some good meat substitutes. Walnut meat is not one of them. I'm not a fan of it. I mean, when you season it and stuff, then it's alright, but I don't know. I'm kinda all over the place in this video. Okay, how do I keep it simple? Let me keep it simple for y'all. For people who want to go vegan, simply one meal at a time. Substitute meat, substitute dairy. Like no meat, no dairy. Substitute those things one meal at a time. Everybody make it seem like vegan is hard. It's not as hard. It's only as hard as you make it. My thing was, what helped me with going vegan, we got rid of everything like that was temptation. Like, I love vegan ice cream, I love ice cream, all that stuff, but I got rid of it because I wanted to be a healthy vegan. So getting rid of those things, them temptations, will help with new beginners to vegan. Meal prepping would be good. I know a lot of people don't got time to meal prep, but they do got a lot of, I don't know, just research. You gotta do a lot of research. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's not, it seems like a lot, but you can make it simple. So if y'all want me to go more in depth on an alkaline vegan or whatever, you know, try to make it more simple, just let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna start this over right here, starting right here. Start over. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching people how to start vegan and how to maintain it. Number one to going vegan, remove all temptations. I mean, you're gonna be tempted for a lot of unhealthy food, but you gotta have a strong mindset to be able to know how to substitute things. Like how what my thing is, when I went vegan, it was mostly what can I eat every day that I like. It's hard to maintain, but I can eat like the same thing every day and not be complaining about it. I mean, that's what was easy for me when I first went vegan, but for the long run, for beginners, I would say start small, substitute one thing at a time, substitute, like, I don't know, if you, like, for example, let me give you an example. Let's say you like me, I like breakfast food, so I don't eat grits, eggs, stuff no more, but when I used to eat grits and eggs, I would substitute, I would get like grits, then I get vegan egg, and then I get vegan bacon. So just substituting things, that's how you go vegan, like, and maintain it, substitute things, small things, one thing at a time, I would say. So yeah,
They're so cute and beautiful together.
so yeah, that's how you go vegan as a beginner. Just substitute the dairy and the meat for vegan meat and vegan dairy supplements. It's a lot out there, so it's not hard to go vegan. It's hard to maintain it though. People say, what about the flavor, blah blah. Season it. If you make your own, you can always season it how you like it. So I think that would be the easiest thing to do. Hello?
What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
Make my video, finna edit it, then go do DoorDash.
Can you leave the card at the house? I forgot to get it.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll be home to come get it in a minute. I mean, I'm with my parents.
What's a minute?
Huh?
What's a minute?
I
You want me to meet you with it? Cause I want some pomegranate juice.
I could buy you some. You want some now?
Yeah. You ain't gotta spend money. We got EBT.
You can just go take it and buy you tea, and whenever you get back home to DoorDash, I'll go back to the store.
You sure, or you want me to just meet you with the card?
Cause I don't know. Yeah, cause I'm gonna need a break. I'm gonna not be walking around, so yeah, I just go home and wait to be done.
All right.
I was just checking on you and
I'm decent, you know.
feeling funny.
Not like I was yesterday, but I'm alright.
Well, I'll see you in the future.
Alright, love you. Talk to you later.
Love you.
Alright, YouTube. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll probably have my bracelet in the next video. Y'all don't know. So, I'll see y'all then. Bye.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.